Hello, today we will guide you through how to install extension in Google Antigravity. In this walkthrough, we'll go over the process of finding and installing an extension inside the Google Antigravity IDE. If you're new to the platform, don't worry, the process is simple, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few moments. To begin, open the Antigravity IDE software on your device. Make sure the application is fully loaded before moving on, so all navigation options are visible and responsive. Starting from the main workspace will make the next steps easier to follow. Once the IDE is open, direct your attention to the left side navigation panel. This panel is where you'll usually find the main tools, settings, and workspace options available in Antigravity. Take a moment to look through the menu until you locate the Extensions section. Depending on your screen size or layout, you may need to scroll slightly or simply scan down the list. When you see extensions in the left navigation, click on it to open the extension area. This section is where you can browse, search for, and manage add-ons that expand the functionality of the IDE. Opening this panel is an important step because it takes you into the Marketplace or Extension Management view. Next, use the search field in the Extensions area and enter Claude code. Be sure to type it clearly so the correct result appears. Searching by name is the fastest way to find the exact extension you want, especially if there are many options listed in the extension library. After the Claude Code extension appears in the results, click on its Install option. Once you do that, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the installation. The prompts may vary slightly depending on your version of the IDE or your system settings, so just read each screen carefully and continue through the setup as instructed. In some cases, you may be asked to confirm permissions or wait a few moments while the extension downloads and installs. After installation is complete, it's a good idea to check that the extension now appears as installed in the Extensions panel. If the interface suggests restarting or reloading the IDE, follow that instruction so the extension can activate properly. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Claude Code extension in Google Antigravity. If you're following along in real time, take it one screen at a time, and the setup should be smooth and straightforward.